If your computer is as slow as a sloth on holiday, you might have a bigger problem than you think. Let's talk hacks. Here are 7 warning signs your computer might be hacked. 1. Constant antivirus alerts. If you're seeing frequent warnings, something's fishy. 2. Webcam light turns on by itself. Creepy, right? Someone could be watching you. 3. Sluggish performance. If your computer's dragging, it might be malware munching on your resources. 4. Unusual pop-ups. Random ads. That's a red flag. 5. Programs opening on their own. Ghosts. Nope. Hackers. 6. Password changes you didn't make. Major warning. 7. High network activity. If your internet's busier than usual, someone else might be using it. If you spot any of these, act fast. Run a deep scan, update passwords, and consider professional help. Stay safe online.